Incorporating high-protein green vegetables into your diet can significantly enhance your meals while providing essential nutrients. These vibrant vegetables are more than just fillers. They bring a wealth of flavor, color, and health benefits to the table. Imagine a lush heap of spinach, kale, or edamame, ready to complement your favorite dishes. One of the easiest ways to enjoy these greens is by adding them to curries. Consider a creamy coconut-based curry that welcomes the addition of green peas or green beans. As they simmer in aromatic spices, these vegetables absorb the flavors, creating a symphony of taste that will tantalize your palate. Each bite becomes a delightful fusion of rich spices and nutrient-packed greens. Salads provide another fantastic opportunity to showcase high-protein greens. Picture a vibrant salad filled with arugula, broccoli sprouts, and sliced avocado, dressed with a zesty lemon vinaigrette. The greens not only add a crunchy element, but also pack a protein punch, making your salad a satisfying meal. Top it with roasted chickpeas or grilled tofu for an even richer texture. Pasta dishes can also be elevated with these protein-rich veggies. Envision a comforting bowl of whole wheat spaghetti tossed with sautéed zucchini, asparagus, and a generous handful of fresh basil. The addition of sautéed spinach can enhance both flavor and nutrition. Drizzled with a light olive oil and garlic sauce, this dish not only nourishes but delights the senses. Smoothies are yet another avenue to incorporate high-protein greens discreetly. Blend a hearty handful of kale or spinach with your favorite fruits, yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. The result is a refreshing drink that packs a nutritious wallop without sacrificing taste. Visually, the deep green hue contrasts beautifully with vibrant strawberries or mangoes, making it a feast for the eyes as well. Finally, sautéing green vegetables as a side dish is a simple yet effective way to boost protein intake. Picture a medley of bok choy, snap peas, and bell peppers sautéed to tender perfection, drizzled with sesame oil, and sprinkled with sesame seeds. This colorful dish not only enhances your main course but also adds a delightful crunch and lively flavors to your meal. In summary, high-protein green vegetables are a dynamic addition to any cuisine. Their versatility allows for integration across various dishes, ensuring that every meal can be both delicious and nourishing. Embrace these greens and elevate your culinary creations with their vibrant appeal and wholesome goodness.